students. In this video, we will discuss the use of SUMIF and DSUM formulas in Microsoft Excel. Before that, let's know each other first. Okay, without further ado, let's start the video.
Hello, my name is Indah. For the first, we will discover the sum formula. The sum is used to get the amount of data in a database field that makes certain criteria. As an example, to summary employees by type of employees position. The sum formula is with syntax the sum equal the sum database the sum formula used with syntax the sum equal the sum quantity database semicolon field semicolon criteria. After that, plus quantity, enter. Database here is from cell A5 until AD18. This is the database from this function. And for the fields indicate which column is used in the function. We will find the amount of salary amount, so the field is at cell AA5. This is the field for the function. And the criteria is from cell A24 until A25. And after we put all of the items, and then we enter. And we will get the amount according to the criteria we want. For the efficiency work, we can use validation data to change the criteria we want to choose. For the example, the criteria we use in the calculating of the recapitulation of the salaries of PT Abdi employees in 2018, we make data validation based on the position in the company. So, if we change the criteria, then the result will be according to the criteria we choose. And to find the average salary, we use the formula the average. And to find the highest salary, we use the max function. And to know the number of employees, we use the count function. For that first, the max and the count, its use is the same as the sum. Okay, for the next part, we'll explain by my friend.
Hi, before continuing to next video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.
The next data is the salary recapitulation data for employees who have NPWP and don't have NPWP. In the first column, there is a NPWP status. In this column, our group uses validation data. You only need to choose NPWP data or don't have NPWP. Then the columns of salary receipts, month, average salary, head salary, and number of employees will change automatically. For the formula in the next column, the formula is the same as the data in PT Insani Raya Abadi salary recapitulation. In the salary receipts column using the SUMIF formula. In the average salary column using the difference formula. In the head salary column using the max formula. And in the total employee column using the count. For the next will be explained by my college.
Okay, my name is Purnama. I will explain who and who to use the SUMIF formula in Excel. SUMIF is used to perform addition formula with certain criteria. You can use the SUMIF function to add up the value in the range that meet the criteria you have specified. And the first, before we look for data using the SUMIF formula based on the job criteria, we will first create a list box to make a list of choice. Then, look for the result of amount salary based on the criteria we are looking for. In this data, we will add up the share of salary received and one based on the position. And then, the sum if formula is equal sign, sum if, open parenthesis, and then block of the position column from F9 to F28 and the semicolon. You can click cell A52 and then the semicolon. You can block off the salary column received amount from AA9 to AA28 and the closing parenthesis and then enter. And then to find the average salary, the highest salary, and number of employees, we still use the same formula as the before, namely using the average to find the average, using the max to find the highest value, and then using the count to find the number of employees. Okay, that's all my explanation. Will be continued by my friend Indah.
In this data, we will add up the part of the salary received amount based on the NPWP status. In the first column, there is a NPWP status. In this column, our group use validation data. You only need to choose NPWP data or do not have NPWP, then the columns of salary received months, average salary, highest salary, and number of employees will change automatically. For the formula in the next column, the formula is the same as the data in PT Insani Raya Abadi salary recapitulation. In the salary receipt column using the SUMIF formula, in the average salary column using the difference formula, in the highest salary column using the max formula, and in the total employees column using the count. That's all my explanation will be continued by my friend Tata.
Okay, my name is Dewi Amrita, and I will explain how to use the formula SUMIF, the sum, the average, the max, and the count combined with the what-if analysis method. This method is very helpful if you have a lot of data and you don't want to use a list box. So let's start practicing how to make it. The first, we block or select all cells that contain data except the title on it. This is all the data. And secondly, look for data tab on the tab menu bar. This is a data tab on the tab menu bar. This is data.
Just a quick info. So these are part of Microsoft Excel. So that you don't waste time, you can take a screenshot, okay?
And the third, click what if analysis on the toolbar. This is what if analysis, and then click data table. This is a data table. The fourth, on data table, we place the cursor in the column input cell, just in the column input cell, and then click the first data criteria that we have blocked or selected. This is the first data we have blocked. And then click OK or press Enter in your keyboard. Well, we can see the data below is automatically filled in, so we don't need to type one by one all the formula, so we can save time in the processing. And the last one, hopefully the video we made can help all viewers. That's all we can say. If something is wrong, we apologize, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.
Okay, that's the video from our groups. Thank you for watching.